The Arctic, the northernmost region of the Earth, often defined as the area within the Arctic Circle, a line of latitude about 66.5 degrees north of the equator. In this circle are the Arctic Ocean basin and northern parts of Russia, the US state of Alaska, Canada, the Kingdom of Denmark-Greenland, Iceland, Sweden, Finland, and Norway. An estimated 4 million people reside in the Arctic. The Arctic indigenous people make up approximately 9% of the total Arctic population. The Arctic indigenous communities have settled in the region for thousands of years, learning and adapting to survive in the harsh polar climate and to subsist based on hunting, fishing, trapping, and pastoralism. The indigenous population resembles more than 40 different ethnic groups, each with their own traditions and cultural identity that has been passed down from generation to generation. The Arctic is also home to an abundance of flora and fauna. The animals include the Arctic fox, wolf, moose, reindeer, and polar bears. What was once often referred to as a frozen kingdom is now becoming the centre of global interest. The effects of climate change have significantly impacted the Arctic region. The melting of the Arctic sea ice has made the region far more accessible for navigational purposes. The Arctic Ocean is host to three maritime shipping routes: the Northern Sea Route, the Northwest Passage, and the Transpolar Route. The Northern Sea Route and the Northwest Passage have seen an increase in maritime traffic in recent years. It provides a quicker and alternative route from Europe to Asia. Whilst there is the economic benefits of these trade routes, there are also the maritime risks associated with such opportunities, including search and rescue, collisions with wildlife, and oil spills. The unique polar climate heightens the severity of such risks. Additionally, as the Arctic ice continues to decline, the exploration and exploitation of natural resources is becoming increasingly feasible. It is predicted that a significant percentage of the world's gas and oil is located within the Arctic. The effects of climate change are jeopardizing the survival and livelihoods of the Arctic indigenous communities. The Arctic is undergoing drastic and dramatic transformations, and as these waters become far more accessible, the governance structure of the Arctic would need to be equipped to deal with such concerns. Furthermore, as the Arctic glaciers continue to melt, the Arctic sea level will rise, which will have detrimental impact for coastal communities, the Arctic wildlife habitats, and the Arctic ecosystem. Thank you for watching, and please feel free to ask any questions.